In this video, I'm going to take my last 8 years of experience in video editing to give you full step-by-step beginner's guide to how I will learn if I was to start all over again. If you're new here, my name is Matthew and I've been editing for marketing clients, working on campaigns, product demo videos, and social media content, and I've learned which steps really move the needle when it comes to just starting out. Alright guys, let's get started. It's pretty straightforward. To get started, you will need to download a video editing software you want to your PC or your device. There are plenty of options out there like DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, CapCut, Filmora, and to name a few. One option worth checking out is Descript, the sponsor of today's video. It's great for beginners and packed with features that makes video editing simple and efficient. Whatever software you end up choosing, make sure you stick with it for a long period of time. Don't bounce around from one app to another. That will slow you down and kill your motivation. The real growth happens when you learn your tool inside out. This part is really important, so please don't skip it. Think of it like this. You wouldn't build a Burj Khalifa without building a foundation first, right? It's the same thing with video editing. You need to start with the basics before you can create anything that stands out. Look, I understand when you're just starting out with video editing, it's easy to get caught up trying to copy all the fancy styles you see online. But that can get frustrating really fast if you don't know the basics yet. Start simple. Just learn how to cut, frame clips, adjust your audio and transitions, and maybe a bit of text or effects. That's all you need to get going, and I've been editing for clients and most of them just prefer a simple edit. That's where Descript comes in. It's a simple tool that makes editing way easier. Descript lets you edit your video by editing just text. It will automatically transcribe your videos and audios into text so you can edit it, kind of like a Google Doc. It has this section called Underload, which is my favorite. It's like having AI assistant in your pocket. In the Underload section, you'll find tools like AI Studio Sound, which makes your audio sound way better, like it was recorded in the studio. The AI Studio Sound is seriously impressive. It also has an AI feature that helps you remove the filler words like your R, arms, repeated words, and silences instantly. There's also this feature I've been playing around with a lot called eye contact. It lets you read your script without looking directly into the camera by digitally adjusting your eye contact back to the center. This is super useful. And guess what? You can add subtitles instantly, record your screen and webcam all in one place. Whether you're making YouTube videos, online courses, campaigns, or even podcasts, this is really a great tool to have. As for pricing, there are few options to choose from. It starts with a free plan, then goes all the way up to hobbies, creator, and business tiers. To try Descript for free, check out the link in the description. Thank you guys from Descript for sponsoring this video. Now here's where the whole quality versus quantity debate kicks in. Personally, I'm a believer in quantity, especially when you are starting out. The more you edit, the more you get to practice. And with every edit and practice, you will learn something new, like what works and what doesn't, and how to fix some mistakes. Think of it like a sport. Take basketball for example. You don't become a great player by only playing in the official games. You get better by putting up hundreds of shots in practice, running drills, messing up and adjusting as time goes on. That's where the real growth happens. Editing is the same way. When you're new, you probably find yourself waiting for clients. But here's the thing, don't wait. Start editing now. Work on a personal project, edit some random footage here and there. Practice with anything you can get your hands on. That's how you will actually get good, by doing and not just waiting. One thing that really helped me to get better at video editing was getting feedback. At first, it was kind of uncomfortable, like people pointing out what I could do better. But honestly, that really helped me to level up way faster. It's super useful to be around other editors, which is why I ended up building a community on School. If you are into that, the link will be in the description. Even if you are not in a group or a community, just post your work online. Upload your stuff to Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, and just pay attention to the comments by people. Through the comments, people will tell you what they like, what off, and over time you will start seeing your own work differently. Yeah, I know. I post tutorials here for you guys. But don't get stuck in endless learning mode. I used to binge watch tutorials too, thinking I needed to know everything before I started editing. But the truth is, you don't. What actually helped me was watching 1 or 2 videos on a topic I want to learn and right away jump at the back of the PC to try my hands on it. You will learn way more by doing it that way than just watching 10 or more tutorials and later getting yourself confused without even knowing exactly what to do. When I was learning editing, one of the best things I did was study edit from my favorite creators and try to recreate them. It's exactly what we've been doing on this very channel. We've been breaking down and recreating edit from top YouTubers so you can learn by doing. Stealing like a pro is not just about copying. It's about learning from the best and remixing those ideas into your own. Now take a look at this. Imagine taking a bit of inspiration from 10 different creators and blending it all together. That's how you start to build your own unique style. I still do that from time to time. With this, you need to get on board. AI tools are changing the game really fast. From auto captions to smart cards and music syncing, they can seriously speed up your workflow. Like I mentioned earlier on, tools like Descript make things super simple. You can cut filler words, add subtitles, and even edit video by just editing text. You don't need to rely on AI for everything, but it is smart to start getting familiar with it now, because the editors who understand how to use these AI tools are going to be way ahead of those who don't. So you don't want to be left out. A big thank you once again to the guys from Descript for sponsoring this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.